Ever wondered what a typical Turkish home looks like? Today, I'm giving you a quick tour, from the shoes at the door to the tea in the living room. First rule, leave your shoes at the door. Turkish homes always have slippers ready for guests. It's a sign of respect and cleanliness. The living room, or salon, is where guests gather. You'll see large sofas around the walls, sometimes covered in decorative sheets or lace. There's almost always a TV, and tea is always offered. Kitchens are small but full of flavor. Most Turkish families cook daily, homemade meals, fresh bread, and of course K. You'll often find jars of pickles or dried herbs from the village. Bedrooms are simple, functional. Some families share rooms, especially in smaller apartments. Closets, prayer rugs, family photos, it's all part of the warm, lived-in feel. Turkish homes may be simple, but they're full of warmth, hospitality, and tradition. Would you visit one? Drop a house or tea emoji in the comments and subscribe for more stories from inside Turkey.